Question 14 is the two-column proof for the exterior angle theorem. Given angle 1, we see that is right here, noted in red, is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. Your job is to prove that the measurement of angle 1 would be equaling to the measurement of angle A plus the measurement of angle B. Well, let's start with our given statement first. Angle 1 is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. That is given. And in the end, somehow we have to get the measurement of angle 1 is equal to the measurement of angle A plus the measurement of angle B. Right? That is what we have here. Okay? So the hint is, remember, every single statement must introduce something that you want. Okay? So what equation can we set up? Well, this is weird, but if we see this is angle C here, is right here. This is angle C, okay? So notice that this forms a linear pair. So we can say that angle C plus angle 1 is gonna equaling to 180. This is a linear pair, okay? The reason why this is useful is because, do you see how I introduced angle 1? That was super useful, okay? I have to somehow get the measurement of angle A and the measurement of angle B. Well, on the inside, we know that the measurement of angle C plus the measurement of angle A plus the measurement of B has to add up to 180, because we know that because that's the triangle sum. Okay, notice this is useful because look, we got rid of angle A, we introduced angle A, and we introduced angle B. That's good. We somehow have to get rid now of this angle C. Okay, and we know from our proofing strategy that from things to get away, right, angle C has to somehow cancel out with the other angle C. The way we do that is to set up an equation. So angle C plus angle A plus angle B has to be equal to angle C plus angle 1. Why? Do you see how they both match up to 180? Okay, that is by substitution. Since now they're equaling to each other, we can do some subtraction, right? So we can subtract angle C from both sides, and we have this angle A plus angle B is equal to angle 1. That is by subtraction. So yes, now you can come to that conclusion, right? But here the angle 1 is on the left, angle B and angle A is on the right. So I have to just do an extra symmetrical property to flip it. Okay, there you go. That would be the proof.